much because we enjoyed so many good hours with you. And the Schuhplattlers really had a lot of fun with you. But you gave us the beer. And so we joined you with the beer. And we have no words for you. We are lacking of words. Because people like you are so hard to come by and to find. Thank you so very much. We had the Krampus days here. Yeah. We had the Schuhplattler days here. We have the Almrausch Tanzlmusi here. You have done so much for our culture to keep it alive and going and to expose it to the public. Would not have known without you. So thank you so much. Thank you very much. And that's not the last time. We are going to see each other again.
Wiedersehen.
Now we say
not goodbye.
We are saying vergelt's gut. Thank you, Lord. Vergelt's gut is Bavaria. Okay? Vergelt's gut. It is signed by us. That's yours. We love you. We love you. Thank you so much for everything you have done.